Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Kingdom is here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a very nice beaded ring part 2. Remember, in our last tutorial, you can see the video here, I've already shown you how to create these very nice rings using Miyuki drop beads and Mallorca seed beads. The Mallorca seed beads that look pretty much the same, that size 11 seed bead. These rings are very easy and very beginner friendly, but I decided to make them the easiest rings possible. So I've created this variation where we use freshwater pearls instead of beading. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the very same ring. So go to your local bead store, go grab some supplies, and let's get started. We will need freshwater pearls, beading needles, and the beading thread. I am using the Toho 1G beading thread. Oh, of course, and Miyuki drop beads. I have this very colorful, very nice looking, rainbow looking mix of Miyuki drop beads. So yes, this is everything you will need. I'm going to use Toho 1G beading thread and these rice-shaped freshwater pearls. They are approximately 2 by 3 millimeters and very beautiful and very trendy beads. Cut approximately 20 inches of beading thread and then thread your beading needle. String on 5 Miyuki drop beads in your favorite color. I am going to use green in my case. And make a loop or a circle by passing through first bead, just like I'm doing here. Now string a golden center bead. I'm using 2 mm metal bead here. Now place it in the flower center, just like this. Help yourself with the needle if you need any help. And now pass through all 5 petal beads just to fix the ring and make our beading stronger. Okay, now it's time to string some pearls. So string several freshwater pearls, 2 inches approximately, or maybe more. Make it long enough so it could turn around your finger. Okay, I think it's time to stop here. And now when you have enough pearls here, it's time to finish the ring. Turn the pearls around your finger and pass through this green drop bead. See, you have 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and the ones you need is here. It's just the opposite. So pass through it like this and pull your thread tight. This is how it looks like at this point. Now it's time to finish the ring. Now I suggest to take another end of thread, the one that has been abandoned all the time. Take a needle and thread it. See what we have here. Thread from the pearls comes here to the petal beads on the left, and your threaded needles come from the right. See? Here. Now we are going to pass through here, through all these pearls like this. We're going to make a second pass through all pearls just to make the ring stiffer and stronger, because one thread is not enough here in my opinion. While doing this, pay attention to thread tension. That's very important, it shouldn't be loose. So go through all pearls, making a second thread layer inside them. And while I'm doing this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because there are going to be a lot of nice and interesting tutorials in the future. So subscribe to the channel and you won't miss them. And don't forget to pay attention to thread tension. Okay, we did it. Attention to thread tension. And now see what we have here. We have this thread coming from drop beads on the left, which means we must go through this bead on the right like this, here to the right. Pull both threads. And now we will make a knot to secure a thread. Bring your needle between these two green drop beads here, then pass through the loop and then pull tight. The knot is ready and the thread is secured. Now you can add a second knot just here, or you can pass through the neighboring drop bead and make a second knot here, like I'm doing. Make a second knot just the same way. Catch a thread between two neighboring seed beads and then go through this loop and pull tightly here. Pass through another couple of beads and cut off the thread. That's it. We have another thread waiting for us here, so let's secure it just the same way. Thread a needle, make a couple of knots here and there. And then cut the thread off. So this is the ring we just made. Nice. And that's it, my ring is ready. I'm so happy with it. Let me try it on and show to you how it turned out. Okay, now it's your turn. Go and make one for yourself or the ones you really love. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because there are going to be, you know, the more nice and interesting tutorials in the future. And leave something in the comments. Maybe you have suggestions. I can create a special video just for you. Maybe you have some special tutorial. I can create this. And I know you noticed my very beautiful earrings. This is a mono earring, single earring. I've already shown you how to create this. You can do this yourself. See the video, the tutorial here. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment this video. And bye, see you soon.